Please press on the bell icon and never miss a video from the Aesthetic Clinics from Dr. Rinki Gupta's channel. Scars basically are damaged tissue, and they are something which can mar a person's physical as well as emotional makeup for life. So scars, of course, they vary according to different etiologies. What is the cause for the scar? They could be very small scars, they can be medium size, they can be large, they can be huge scars. Scars can also be classified depending upon the cause of the scar, as in it could be a scar because of some injury, it could be a scar because of a burn injury, it could be a scar because of surgical trauma, it could be scarring because of some disease that you've had, a skin disease which has left scarring on the skin, and so on and so forth. Whatever be the etiology or the cause of the scar, treatment of scars is something which patients desire, and one would be really happy if the scars can be removed forever and you could get back your original skin that you already always had. So as technology advances, and it's advancing at a very rapid pace, there is a lot of improvement that's happened in treatment of scars. Of course, you need to consult your physician, your dermatologist or your plastic surgeon to figure out what exactly is it that will work for your scar. So say for example you have a scar which is like really huge and which has complications like pigmentation and itching and so on and so forth. So the doctor needs to decide whether you require something called as a surgical scar reduction to reduce the extent of the scar, and followed by a non-surgical scar improvement with laser. So there are some scars which require just laser treatment to reduce the appearance of the scar. There are some scars which will require surgical intervention initially to reduce the extent of the scar, to improve the appearance of the scar from what it is, and then treat it with a laser treatment. So these are the two options which are there available nowadays, and the physician who's treating you, or the dermatologist or the plastic surgeon who's treating you, is the best person to advise you on this. So some scars which require surgical reduction will be treated by techniques which are used by plastic surgeons to reduce the extent of the scars, and then they will recommend you to see a dermatologist to go ahead and get a laser resurfacing done on the newly formed scar. There are some scars which do not require surgical treatment, they can just be lasered right away. So you go ahead with the laser treatments for scars. Now the laser that is used for treatment of scars generally mostly is the fractional carbon dioxide laser, one of the most favored lasers for scar reduction and treatment. Of course it requires multiple sessions of this laser to treat the scar, and which could vary between anything between 8 to 10 sessions to 10 to 15 to 20 sessions as well, depending upon the type, the extent and the location of the scar. And it's a slow process, so one needs to be very patient with treatment of scars, because what the laser does is that it starts improving collagen formation under the scar, that new collagen formation under the scar. So as the scar remodels itself post the laser, the skin starts improving. So this is a long procedure and it takes some time, so you need to be very patient to see the results of the treatment. Some scars which are flat to begin with and they are not very discolored probably can improve to the extent of about 80 to 90%. But some scars which are like really huge to begin with and they are discolored and they are thick to begin with, so these scars generally may not go away completely, but yes, you can still give a 50 to 60% reduction in these scars. And once the laser treatment is done, say you've done like a couple of sessions or 10 to 15 sessions, whatever is required or advised by your doctor, the scar continues to improve even after the laser sessions are done. So the results that you see after about say a year of your treatment getting over will be much better, further better still than what it was at the end of your treatment. So there's a lot of things that are involved in scar treatment, but one thing to say is there are newer treatments available, there are some lasers to help you out with this, and if you take the right opinion from the right doctor as to what is exactly required for your scar, you'll be a happier person. So you need to know how much will be the improvement in the scar, how many sessions will it take, how many months or how much time is it going to take for you to see the results, what is the expected results. This is what you should discuss with your doctor. When you discuss with them about scar treatment. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope that gives hope to a lot of people who are listening to this.